Hello YouTube, it's Eli the OBD Tech. I'm here working on a 2000 Ford Expedition with 5.4 liter engine. This video is going to be based on using mode 6 on a Ford vehicle. This vehicle came with the service engine soon. Supposedly, number 4 cylinder has a misfire. The computer has detected a misfire on number 4. It's a P0304. That's the only code that this vehicle has. So I'm gonna use mode 6 to determine if the computer is telling the truth or if it's lying. Because on these Ford vehicles, mode 6 is a good way to actually determine if the problem is really on that specific cylinder that the computer is throwing that code for. So I'm gonna use on this. This is on the generic side on the scan tool. I'm using the OBD2 function, which is generic. I'm going to select the onboard monitoring test. I'm going to select the year, so 2000. Then I'm going to select the test ID53. Sometimes, I don't know if it's like a glitch on the software or on the programming, but sometimes, since this vehicle is a V8, sometimes the test ID number 53 will give me cylinders 1 through 8, or sometimes it will give me 1 through 6 or 1 through 7. It all depends, because sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. So let's see what happens when I select test ID 53. So this is the test ID that you have to go in to actually verify if the cylinder is the main cause of this P0304 or whatever code or whatever misfire the computer is detecting. So here we go. See so far now. So in this case, it gave me 1 through 7. Sometimes it'll give me 1 through 8. But I want to make sure that this is 1 through 8. It all depends. Sometimes it'll give me the 1 through 8, 1 through 7, maybe 1 through 6. But in this case, there you go. I was able to make it go give me 1 through 8. So next step I'm going to do is just select component ID01, which is on cylinder number 1. Hit OK. By the way, I'm using a Autobots V30 scan tool. This does generic and Pacific vehicle diagnostics. Okay, so on cylinder number 1, it shows that it passed. It shows 0%. Max value is 1.31, so that's good so far. I'm going to select component 02. This one has also passed, showing 0%. I'm going to select 003, component 03, which is on which means cylinder 3. This one has also passed, so which is good. I'm going to select component ID 04. Supposedly, the code is showing that the cylinder number 4 is the one that's actually misfiring. So let's verify if this, in this case, if this is the case, this is the bad cylinder right now. So as you can see, it's showing a failed. It's percentage-wise is 10.712 max value. The limit is 1.131. Which is not good. This could be maybe a problem on the injectors, coil pack, spark plugs, maybe a mechanical issue on that number 4, like compression. So let's go through the rest of the component IDs. Number 05. This one has also passed, which is good. Number 6. Passed. Number 7. Passed, which is good. Finally, number 8 on cylinder number 8. This one has also passed. So this is a way to actually determine on Ford vehicles by using the onboard monitoring test to using mode 6 on test ID number 53 to determine that specific cylinder especially verify if the problem is on that specific cylinder. So hopefully this helps. I may or may not do a video on diagnosing that cylinder number 4 since I'm in a very tight schedule, but we'll see. So this is using mode 6 to determine and verify a specific misfire on cylinders 1 through 8 or 1 through 6 or 1 through 4. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Alright guys, so after performing the repairs on this vehicle by replacing the intake manifold gaskets, which was causing our cylinder number 4 misfire, I'm here on mode 6 once again on test ID53. I'm going to show you guys components ID 1 through 8 and also verify that on component ID number 4 that that we have a passing test result now. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys ID 01 first. Shows pass. Number 2, pass. Number 3 shows also pass. And this is this is moment of truth, guys. This is the defective cylinder that was causing a misfire. So last time when we checked it, it showed failed. It was misfiring. So on this one, it's going to show pass. So that also verifies that our problem was fixed due to a faulty bank 1 intake manifold gasket. Number 5 shows pass. Number 6, pass. Number 7, pass. Number 8 also shows pass. So basically components 1 through 8 is successful. We have a passing result. Make sure once you perform your repairs to clear your codes and also do a keep alive memory reset, especially on these 4 vehicles, because that's going to actually wipe the whole memory and start fresh. Alright guys, so hopefully this video helps you guys out there on how to use mode 6 on Ford vehicles. Alright guys, so thanks for watching.